morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriela and today we're going to be creating cinnamon glazed almonds, my favorite Disney treat. So I have been inspired to make this treat because I used to work at the Disney College program back in 2016 in Magic Kingdom outdoor vending. And every time I was placed in our Adventureland wagon, we had to create new batches for our guests. So I have been inspired to do this at home and compare if it's very similar to the ones that I used to make. So the ingredients that we're going to be using are sugar, we have almonds, and I have chosen the unsalted one since we're going to be adding salt. Here's our salt. We have our butter, egg whites. So currently we have our oven preheating for 325, so we're going to go ahead while it preheats. We're going to start mixing all of the ingredients. I'm going to show you the process, so please tune around. Make sure to hit that thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more. Enjoy! Here's the final outcome.
It's hot.
Yes, it's
obviously
warm.
Right?
Here. What?
I couldn't taste the sugar in that one.
No? I tasted in this one. They're really good. They're really crunchy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
They're good.
Yeah, they're good. My God, they're good.
Thank you. So yeah, this was a success, right?
I would call it a success.
Thanks. Love you. Wait, so they are amazing. They taste just like it. This is an amazing treat. They're really good. I honestly recommend this. Very, very, very much. They taste just like them. Every time I go to Disney, I make sure to grab some cinnamon glazed almonds just because they're so tasty. I love them and these taste just like them. They're a little burnt. Like the sugar looks a little like this. Which I believe it was because since I overpassed the time perhaps, or it just depends on the oven. I have no idea. I do know they're amazing. If you're able to do this, make sure to comment down below your final outcome. I would love to hear your feedback. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day.